Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX GeForce RTX 4070 non-TI graphics card. So friends, the two custom designed GeForce RTX 4070 and a non-TI graphics card models by GALAX and leaked to the website. And friend, the more simple looking of two is very likely the GALAX RTX 4070 EX Schema White, while the other more flashy of the two could be the GALAX RTX 4070 SG White. And friend, what is interesting, the both cards are triple slot, including with their IO brackets for what is supposed to be a mid-performance segment product position below the recently launched RTX 4070 Ti. And friend, that the SKU is based on the same 4nm AD104 silicon as the RTX 4070 Ti, and albeit significantly cut down with only 46 out of 60 streaming multiprocessors on the silicon being enabled of the available SIDM machinery. And friend, this work out to 5888 CUDA cores, 46 RT cores and 184 Tensor cores, and the card might get the same 12GB memory size across the 192-bit GDDR6 stacked memory bus of the AD104 with the same 21 Gbps memory speed, working out to the 504 GB per second bandwidth. And one reason why GALAX card looked this buff could not have to do with NVIDIA's partner using their RTX 4070 Ti board design for their premium RTX 4070 cards. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.